Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Miss Molly, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do my hot oil treatment for my hair. So yeah, if you're into that stuff and you want to see how I do it, please keep watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Miss Molly. I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So yeah, if you're into any of these topics, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Alright, so I'm gonna get straight into it.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what oils I use in my hot oil treatment, why I use these oils, and how I do my hot oil treatment as a whole. Okay, so first I use Amla oil. Amla oil is good for strengthening the scalp and hair. It also reduces pigment loss from hair. So that basically means that it helps keep your hair darker, which I love because I like the idea of having super black hair. Amla oil also stimulates hair growth, and personally with my hair, Amla oil helps keep my hair shiny, which is great, especially when trying to take pictures of your hair. It just looks better if it's shiny. I also use olive oil. Olive oil is great for adding softness and strengthening the hair. It does this by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. Lastly, I add a few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and anti-fungal and is great for promoting a healthy scalp and hair growth once diluted. Okay, so now let's get into it. Firstly, make sure you don't have any hangnails, so file any broken nails you have because they can really break your hair and cause damage, and we do not want that. Okay, so firstly, I go ahead and I section my hair. My hair is super dirty and super tangled, so I use some water in a tiny little spray bottle and I sprayed especially on my roots. My roots are always super duper tangled. So I spray some water on my hair and I'm just working through the knots, trying to get my hair as detangled as possible before I add the oil on it and smooth my hair over. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see how I do that because it's a tad bit of a process. I am not even going to lie to you. It takes a while to really get your hair detangled. That's why it's like a whole wash day. It takes time to get your hair well taken care of. Okay, so now I just go ahead with the oil and I'm just smoothing the oil on my hair from roots to ends, and this smoothing motion is really helpful with detangling and also with just ensuring that your cuticles are flat, because when your cuticles are flat it just makes it possible for your hair to just look shinier, because flatter cuticles reflect light. So I try to flatten my cuticles manually with my hands by really going in and smoothing my hair when detangling, and this process is more so done in my pre-poo. So guys, this is like a little tip for having shinier hair. Okay, so now I'm just doing some Bantu knots to get rid of those sections that are already detangled and oil. That way it just keeps them out my way and I don't have to worry about them anymore. I really just keep doing this same process throughout my entire head. So first I take out a small section, I wet that small section, I detangle that small section, then I go ahead and put the oil on it, smooth through that section with the oil, and then I do my cute little Bantu knots. Just keep it all tucked away, moisturized, and by itself. So I keep doing this process over and over until I've done my entire head. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see the magic happen, okay? But yeah.
this get so serious? They ask me why I'm here because I'm here because without you I'm delirious. They thought we'd take it slow, but no, we're all in. They have stepped in, this is it. Take me on a journey, let's hit a different dimension. Open my mind, give you my time and my attention. And here we are, captivated, making our mark. And tonight we're trading our hearts. It's mutual. You make me smile when I really need it. You took your time and made me believe in your mannerisms and all your ritual. You and I have become habitual. Double dutch, my heart just skipped a beat. So good to me, you're a sweet dream. Double scoop of my favorite ice cream. Keep the sprinkles, trash the cherry, please. I look at you and know that I'm okay. No matter how bad the day, I just get so serious. They ask me why I'm here because without you I'm delirious. They thought we'd take it slow, but no, we're all in. They have stepped in, this is it. I look at you and know that I'm okay. No matter how bad the day, how this gets so serious. They ask me why I'm here because without you I'm delirious. They thought we'd take it slow, but no, we're all in. I'm stepping in this bitch, we ain't high. I look at you and know that I'm okay. No matter how bad the day. Look at you and I know I'm okay. No matter how bad the day. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know I'm selfish, can't really help it. I waited so many days, wanna see your face, been way too long. Tell me if I'm wrong, cause I hit your phone like damn near 24. I'm about to hit the road. Tell me why our schedule's always conflicting. I know that we be busy, but FaceTime is just not enough. I wanna feel your hand in mine and spend quality time. Yeah, that shit you cannot buy. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know you miss me, wanna be with me. We get that bag right now, finna travel around, I have no fear. But I still wish that you were here. I'm so glad you make it clear that you love me, but no one above me. You show me that you trust me, you're the only one for me. And you know I'm a biter, yeah, I got that to die for. What we got is fire, and it's taking me higher. Save a little time for me, yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me, yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Tick tock on the clock, yeah, I'm counting down. You know I want you now. Wait till we link in town. Tick tock on the clock, boy, I'm counting down. I know you want me now. Wait till we link in town. I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you.
Okay, so now that I have done the job of getting oil over every nook and cranny of my hair, oil is on my roots, oil is on my ends, oil is on my edges, it's everywhere. Now I just put a baggie on and go under my Softhood cap. And I stay under this for like 15 to 30 minutes just to get the heat really where it needs to be. And then I go ahead and wash my hair out. Also, if you guys would like to see more videos on my hair care routine, go ahead and leave a like. And if you guys learned anything from this video, please let me know what you learned down in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.